I, Dr. Kapil Govil, welcome you in this video. This video is tutorial number 20 of data structure series. So in this video we will discuss about linear and non-linear list. So first we talk about linear list. So we are taking one example of linear list. Suppose you have to deposit some amount in your bank account. So what will happen? So first of all, I am writing all the possible steps for depositing any amount in your bank account. Like, first of all, go to bank. Number 2, take deposit slip. Number 3, fill slip. You have to fill. Then you have to stand in the queue. You have to stand in queue. Then when your terms there, then you have to deposit. Number 5 is deposit. So these are 5 steps to deposit any amount in your bank account. You cannot skip any step. You cannot shuffle any step. Suppose without going bank, you are filling a step and then depositing, then attending in queue. It's not possible. So these are the example. These steps are the example of linear list. And now we are taking example of non-linear list. Suppose you have to purchase some items from market like pen, milk, and bulb, LED bulb, and you have to recharge your mobile recharge. So you make a plan that you have to go to purchase pen, then you have to purchase milk, then you have to purchase LED bulb, then you have to purchase you have to recharge your mobile. But unfortunately the shop from where you purchase milk is closed. So what you do? You will purchase pen and then LED bulb, then mobile recharge, and then you will find which another shop is there for milk. So you can shuffle any sequence, you can purchase any item. It's not a restriction. So what is the difference between these two lists? This is linear list. It means you have to go for step by step, and here you can skip any step. You can start from here, you can start from here, you can start from here, you can it will be first step, and it will be second step, it will be third step. So it's your choice. It means in a non-linear list, you are free to select any item or any step. So suppose there are some steps to follow in a data structure. Then if you are not able or not allowed to skip any step, then that list will be called as linear list. And if you are free to select any step, any procedure, then that list will be called as non-linear list. So coding of these two elements, these two lists will be in later on videos. This video was just for introduction of linear and non-linear list. I hope this topic is now clear to you. There is one small request to you. If you are watching this video on YouTube channel, then please subscribe this channel. And if you are watching this video on Facebook page, then please follow this page. So thanks for liking, sharing, and watching this video. Thanks a lot.